Hello and welcome to the explanation of how to use your lecture recordings. The things we're going to cover is how to select the part of the lecture you would like to visit, how to select full screen, zooming in and out, and exiting the program. You should be able to click on your lecture here. In your lecture, you can select the part of the lecture you want to watch by clicking any of the buttons. You can also select Play All if you want to watch all of them in one go. Within each lecture, you can also select different parts of it. So for example, you can click any of these buttons and they'll take you to that part of the lecture. If you would like to select full screen, first you hover your mouse over the bar, then you select the full screen button. This will switch your lecture to full screen. If you have a visual impairment, you might like to zoom in or out of your screen. This can be done by selecting the properties bar in your browser and either zooming in or zooming out. When you want to go back to your Interact2 site, simply click on the back button up here. This will take you back to your lecture.